Geely EX5 is amazing.
Oh, it's a very nice car. I think it's good car for Europe because its design is very clean and it's very nice geotechnology, geo-architecture.
My first impression of the Geely EX5 is really good. It's big, it's spacious, it's good for a small family, large family, for a young couple, for an old couple. So I think this car is perfect for our conditions.
Well, it is obviously very sleek and modern design that will be very good welcome to all markets.
And in terms of interior, I really like the spacious design.
The other feeling what we feel is the first-class cabin feeling, which you reflect on the comfortness. So if you sit there, you can enjoy the massage technology. The Geely technology itself is great. We know that it have a special development. For example, the GEA technology, which is really reflecting on the electricity time. We have the plus space, which is very important, especially for the European market. Geely EX5 is a great product. We are really waiting and we are expecting a good result.
I have big confidence in the Geely EX5. Just look at it. It's super.
Because he's a leader in auto industry, he's the best of company in Chinese market, and now this company start to sell a nice car in Europe.
They are offering a wide range of vehicles that are satisfying all customers' needs. That's why I'm very confident about our partnership.
We are really rating EX5 to have in our roads, in our markets, and I have no doubt that this model will be very successful.
Geely EX5.
Geely EX5.
Geely EX5.
Geely EX5,
We are waiting for you.